Hello children, hope you're having a great day today. So today, as usual, because we are making Christmas decorations these days, I thought I'll teach you or help you make another ornament just like this. It's a reindeer, okay, a red-nosed reindeer. It's quite easy to make, so we'll make it with your parents' assistance. Dear parents, please help the children make this, and you'll see it's not hard at all. Now we need a square piece of paper just like this. Now it's 15 into 15 for me, but for this I have used 7 into 7 centimeters square. So I also have a circular portion like this, a circular paper, and we need the antlers and the eyes and the nose and things like that here. And then we can use a little ribbon piece for the hanging part of the reindeer. We'll also need glue. Now fold it in like this. Then this corner, to make the nose of the reindeer, we use this. So it has to turn to our side. Now to make the ears, fold it backwards like this. Slightly different from what we have done earlier. Now this line doesn't really come to the middle, but it is parallel to the middle line. Okay? Same thing on the other side. Make sure they are parallel to each other and parallel to the middle line. That's all that we need to do. Now the eyes on the top and the nose at the bottom and the antlers that come here. Now this circle is small, so I'm using a smaller reindeer's head to paste it on this circle. Now we'll paste all the parts together. Apply some glue on the back. You can twist it a bit if you wish. Now paste the ears together. Now the antlers go up and underneath the flap. The nose, from glitter paper we are going to paste here. Eyes like this. If you can't find them, it's okay. You can make whatever you need from the wrapping papers or the colored paper that you have at home. Then take a little piece of ribbon like this, put it together, fold it in like this to make a little sort of a handle, and apply it with glue and paste it onto the back of the little circle. Now you can use this as a decoration for your Christmas tree or any other decoration for Christmas. See how it looks beautiful and it's quite easy to make. Did you ever think it'll be this easy? So it's easy, yes, but you have to make them also and see, right? They are beautiful and you can make them very creatively at home. So we'll meet you with some more videos just like this. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.